I remember hearing the winds and thinking, oh my goodness, things are gonna fall. I remember hearing things crashing. We weren't able to come back right away because there were trees downed and there was a lot of flooding. I pretty much couldn't see the house when we got here because there was trees falling. I had a huge oak tree in front of my home that was down on the ground, as were two other trees in front of the house and one in the back of the house. And there was just so much mess. There was water that had crept in from the rain. Look at this one, how big this one is. Huge, it goes all the way up. I am so extremely grateful for the help that you gave me. Had I not received that help, I would still be in a bad situation. It's people like you that make the world of difference in helping people like myself. I can't thank you enough.